That hearing had a little bit of everything. Judge Webster was handling the case of Dario Maldonado Mesa, and while the original charge was a high-speed traffic infraction, the focus quickly shifted to whether he needed a lawyer Isa, who required a Spanish interpreter, first tried to navigate the exchange with help from his sister, who was sitting nearby and occasionally explaining things in plain terms. Judge Webster, calm but firm, clarified that family advice was not the same as legal representation and carefully explained the difference between waiving counsel and asking for more time to hire one. At first, it seemed like this would be treated as a simple speeding case where no attorney was required, but then the judge realized count 2, failure to provide proof of insurance, actually carried up to 6 months in jail, and count 3 was a misdemeanor. That shifted the stakes considerably. With that discovery, the judge explained that Maldonado Mesa could in fact apply for a court-appointed attorney. He was offered the application on the spot, instructed to fill it out before leaving, and told that his case would be continued to November 5th on the interpreter docket. Through it all, Maldonado Mesa was respectful but hesitant, sometimes answering slowly and leaning on his sister's guidance, though ultimately he seemed relieved when the option of appointed counsel was explained. The city prosecutor, for their part, was brief and professional, only stepping in at the end to confirm that his cash bond would carry over with the condition that he appear at the new date. The overall courtroom atmosphere was steady but deliberate. Judge Webster balanced patience with precision, taking the time to confirm understanding, catching the oversight about jail exposure, and then adjusting course to protect the defendant's rights. The defendant himself came across as earnest but overwhelmed, which made the careful explanations all the more important. In the end, what could have been a routine traffic plea turned into an example of why courts move slowly when language barriers and constitutional rights are in play. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone.